For body shops, staying in the public eye is important because your customers don't need what you offer until they do. And when they do need collision repair, you want prospects to think of you first. One way to stay in the public eye is by sponsoring a youth sports team. Will this get you in front of a massive amount of people? No, but it does build goodwill in your community and may expose you to people who may not have otherwise heard of your shop. So why should your body shop sponsor a team? Well, sponsoring a team can build awareness for your shop in several ways. This might include getting your company's name on jerseys, signage, flyers, tournament programs, and the team or league website. If you are sponsoring a team for your own child, this is a fantastic place to meet other parents and get to know them. Once they find out who you are and what you do, they're going to be more inclined to come to you for their repairs. A sponsorship is a great way to give back to your local community while doing something fun. Now, how do you choose a team to sponsor? Sponsoring a team is a no-brainer if it's your own child, but what if it's not? Well, ask your employees if their kids play anything. Just beware though, you may find that lots of them do, and now they all want you to sponsor them. Most areas have baseball, football, and basketball, but larger cities tend to offer other sports as well. Depending on your location, you might look into soccer, hockey, volleyball, tennis, swimming, or other sports, especially when you have a personal connection to them. There may be predetermined options or packages for what you get in exchange for your sponsorship. This may include displaying your name and logo on the jerseys, a sign on the quarter field, and maybe a blurb on the league website, hopefully with your logo and a link back to your website. But maybe you can get a little more creative. Look around the home field and see if there's anything you could do to draw more attention. An obvious spot for a sign is on the home run fence, but it stands out more if you place signs at a few of the parking spots right near the ball diamond saying, "Risky parking, sponsored by Bob's Auto Body." Have a graphic of a baseball, landing on a car. You'll have to pay for the signs and installation, of course, but that will catch people's attention. At the football field, your sign could say, "If your teenager thinks driving is a contact sport, we can help." If you happen to live in an area where hockey is popular and draws a crowd, you could do a vehicle wrap on the Zamboni. Off the field or court or rink, host a tour of your facilities. Let your sponsored team meet your shop's team. A group of teens will certainly find this to be interesting, and it's a great way to expose them to your shop. When you're ready to get started with your sponsorship, think of someone you know who's involved in the league. That person is a great starting point. They should be able to identify the team or league sponsorship coordinator so you can find out what the availability and investment is and what you'll get in return. Think about what you're willing to spend so you know what type of sponsorship best fits your budget. Adding your business name on the team jerseys or simply running an ad in the tournament program, it's going to be on the lower end. But while custom scoreboard signage or more elaborate advertising, that's going to be more expensive. While there are lots of modern digital marketing and advertising options for your collision repair shop, don't ignore the classic, tried and true relationship-based forms of advertising. If you have children or grandchildren on a team or know someone who does, sponsoring a team or a league can be rewarding. It's a great way to give back to your community. Remember, a team photo showing your logo on the jerseys would look great near your front desk. Hey, I'm Jason Ferguson, and I want to help you market your auto body or collision repair business. If you like what you see here, please subscribe and find out more about our digital marketing services at Conspicuous Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.